Let's ask the age-old question, which is the best way to shave and get the closest that we can to the skin? What's up everybody? My name is Scott with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today I want to talk about a age-old subject and which is the best to shave, with the grain or against it. Now just recently we uploaded a video about which is the best razor for your skin, and it actually came down to the consistency of your usage of that blade or razor. As we constantly shave with that preferred razor, we ask ourselves always, are we gonna shave with the hair or against it for the best shave? So when we simply get down, dive deep into it, yes, shaving against the grain is the best way to get the closest shave. Now there is a nuance to it that I wanna cover really quick, and that way you guys know which is the best direction you wanna go. No pun intended. But there is a tactic to it that I like to do, and that is the first round of shaving. Now, if you want, what I would like to do is let's take a credit card, let's get a business card, and let's find out which direction your hair grows. Now, if you use a credit card or a business card, go ahead and swipe across your skin and your hair. If you find it to be smooth as you're going in that direction, that's gonna be the way your hair is growing in that direction. If you go the opposite and you find a resistance, your hair is gonna be growing the other way, and that is going to be the direction that you're going to be cutting if you want to go against the grain. Now the benefit of shaving in the direction of the hair, we're going to minimize bumps and cuts, because that way we are going with the direction of the hair, giving us less friction. But this is going to be where I referenced my previous video about consistency in using that same razor or electric razor. And this is where your skin will actually adhere to that blade and find consistency within your gel and your razor. So watch how I do my shave with my straight razor. As I go down, there's certain preferences that I like to do where I'm shaving down and then I'm gonna shave the other way, and that way I get my best and closest shave. Now for an example, we're gonna take the razor. As you guys can see, the hair is growing inwards into my neck, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow that path of the hair, and then we're gonna go opposite way and shave it the opposite. Now as I'm going into my hair, after I do that first stroke, I'm following up with an upstroke. Lastly, take your hand, pull it down, even if you're using a multi-blade, and then you can go ahead and go the opposite direction. And that's gonna give you the closest shave. And once again, we're gonna go in the opposite direction. So in doing this, you're gonna find yourself having a better shave and a better close cut to your skin. It's a great way for you to practice as well, and also share this information. We don't really talk about this as guys when we're kind of like, hey, what kind of razor do you use? How do you usually shave? And it's nice to bring up the conversation, because once again, there's a lot of hurdles that a lot of different men struggle out there, finding the right razor, finding the right shave, finding the right shaving cream. So it's nice to actually have a discussion and figure out what's the best solution for you. So don't just settle on one thing if you're still having problems. Definitely go down the realm, figure out different products. There's a lot of reviews out there. So this is a great discussion to have, and I hope you guys find the shave that works best for you. So thanks for coming along. With that, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.